You can get a more flexible pike, more flexible hamstrings in just seconds with these two exercises. When you learn how to hack the nervous system, you'll get instant improvements. Stick around because after I show you the two exercises, I'll explain why this works so well. We are the fitness app that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance and not just body image. The first exercise you're going to do is the hip flexor moils, which is maximum overcoming isometric load. The idea is that you go to the end range of hip flexion, then back off a little bit, and with an immovable object on your feet, you try to lift your legs to contract your hip flexors hard for 5 seconds. Do 3 reps of these 5-second contractions, then remove the weight and do 5 ballistic reps. Make sure your knees stay straight and you move your body as little as possible. And then at the end, hold it for one rep of 3 seconds. It's really tough, but get it done. As a result of this hard hip flexor contraction, the hamstrings will relax and the nervous system response that would normally prevent you from going deeper into the pike won't kick in. Now, the next exercise that we're going to do is a standing loaded hamstring stretch. This is a loaded form of PNF stretching that builds strength and safety at your end range. Grab onto some weights and hinge forward at the hips. Do not round your back at all. When you get to end range, hold for 30 seconds. The added weight will assist to pull you deeper into the stretch, but it will also create an isometric contraction in the hamstrings. With each set you do of these 2 exercises, you will see instant increases in flexibility. The only way to really tell how well this works is to test your passive range before you do this. If you want to learn more about this, grab a free copy of our modern flexibility blueprint. Just click that link right there and get yours now. Okay, let's talk about why this works so well. Your hamstrings and other muscles aren't tight. That's not what's stopping you from getting deeper into the pike position. Your nervous system is protecting you from injuring yourself. The problem is it's doing too good a job at that. There are 2 major nervous system security mechanisms involved in the process of flexibility development that you must understand. Each includes neurons that communicate with muscles and the muscles communicating back to your nervous system so that you ensure your limbs don't stretch too far and cause injury, and ensure you don't lift too much weight and cause an injury. Now, most protocols will help improve your flexibility over a duration of weeks and months, but the second security mechanism of making sure you don't overload muscles with excessive weight can be hacked to increase your flexibility within a few seconds. And that's what we've just done here.